Check out the top stock news on June 25th. First, we'll introduce 10 top stories for today. Coinbase shares rose after analysts increased their price target from $310 to $510. This is a 25% increase from the previous closing price. The company's revenue is expected to more than double by 2027, driven by growth in active trading and expansion of non-transaction revenue sources like staking and stablecoins. Moreover, the company maintains a dominant position in the U.S. QuantumScape shares surged significantly. The company has announced the integration of its advanced Cobra separator technology into its baseline cell production. This integration is a major goal for the year and brings the company a step closer to commercialization of its next-generation battery technology. Their lithium metal solid-state battery aims to provide higher energy density, longer life, faster charging, and enhanced safety compared to current lithium-ion batteries. Nvidia's stock has risen for 3 consecutive days as an analyst has increased the target stock price from $175 to an impressive $250. This significant increase points to high confidence in the company's position for the upcoming growth driven by generative AI. It is projected that spending in hyperscale, AI factories, and AI accelerators could reach about $2 trillion by 2028, which could potentially expand Nvidia's market cap to $6 trillion. TRIT's commitment to buy back $20 million worth of its own stock demonstrates confidence in the company's future. This buyback signals to investors that the company believes its shares are undervalued. BlackBerry's recent quarterly report reveals several encouraging signs. Their revenue exceeded expectations, indicating a strong market presence. Although free cash flow showed a loss, it was less than analysts anticipated. Moreover, full-year guidance for revenue and EBITDA has been raised, suggesting confidence in future growth. Forte Biosciences is working towards significant advancements in treating autoimmune diseases. They are developing a unique monoclonal antibody therapy, specifically targeting a range of conditions such as celiac disease, vitiligo, type 1 diabetes, graft-versus-host disease, and alopecia. Despite some uncertainty surrounding discussions with Shell, BP stock saw an increase. The initial talks about a potential acquisition could indicate confidence in BP's value, sparking interest in its shares. Alphabet stock rose after Google's announcement of the Gemini CLI, an AI coding assistant aimed at helping developers. This new tool simplifies interaction by allowing developers to communicate with AI using natural language, transforming complex coding tasks into more manageable conversations. It supports a variety of uses beyond coding, such as video generation and website building. Tesla's recent developments present some positive factors despite current challenges. The launch of Robo-Taxis in select areas signals a groundbreaking event in the industry, potentially shifting the sales model toward services as the company expands its autonomous driving software. Analysts highlight the favorable policies emerging for full self-driving systems in various cities. The Federal Reserve has proposed important reductions in bank capital regulations, allowing banks to lower their leverage ratios. This change could strengthen the resilience of the U.S. Treasury market and reduce the need for future Federal Reserve interventions during stressful events. Micron Technology's Q3 earnings exceeded expectations, with a reported earnings per share of $1.91 and revenue of $9.3 billion, up 37%. The company also forecasted strong results for Q4, projecting earnings between $2.35 to $2.65 per share and revenue of $104 to $110 billion. Micron's revenue from DRAM hit a record high, and high-bandwidth memory sales increased about 50%, reflecting strong demand driven by AI advancements. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Feel free to leave a comment if there's any news you'd like us to cover.